Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we today learn how to make round staircase. So we use new template architectural. Okay, then we set levels firstly. 3D views, elevation east. Use 4200. Okay, making level offset 4200. Big path. So here level stop. So we open level 0. So here insert we CAD files, import CAD, save. Position center to center. Okay, open. Here CAD file is imported. Okay, then we go to stair. Here create sketch. Okay, then firstly we create boundary. We pick lines. Here after boundary pick join with riser or a pick line, pick lines. Then pick lines here, here, all that riser lines. Okay, then we create stair path. So we creating stair path. This stair path is created. Click finish edit. After that stair is created. Go to 3D view. Stair is created. We copy at level 1. Here we go to copy to clipboard, paste, align to selected level. Okay, then choose level 1. Okay, create. Here we have to create one landing here. So we create one landing at level 1. So here we have to create one landing here. I'm going to floor, architectural floor, pick a line. Here we create boundary by the arc. Then we join here 2 points. Simple. Done.